Hello. Hello, everybody. I know this is really late at night, and there's a background noise. But I want to show, if you guys read the title, I want to show you guys stuff with the fidget spinner. I also have a fidget spinner that doesn't have its buttons on them yet to compare. Alright. Let's go on an adventure. Not very far though. Anyways, a fidget spinner has these buttons on them. You hold the buttons and you spin it. Spin it tons of different ways. Like this way. Or this way. Anyways, do you know why they're spinning? You probably don't understand the insides. Alright, so this is a terrible idea of me, but you can take the buttons off a very easy way. So you can hold the fidget spinner and spin them two different ways. Okay, give me a second. Okay, you can spin one, it doesn't matter which one, spin one left, spin the other one right. Okay, let's do that. So, and then once you get them loose, just spin one until it comes off. Come on. Alright, so now that we got the buttons off, let's look inside the fidget spinner. Here it is. So the reason why it spins is, my camera, okay. The reason why it spins is because inside of here is a bearing. If you don't know what a bearing is, well, let's see. A bearing is, well, basically, probably can't see it, but inside here, very small. Actually, let me get my other fidget spinner. Alright, so here's my other fidget spinner. You guys can probably see that. But those golden things right there, those are ball bearings. Make this thing. This is a copper fidget spinner. I don't know what it's made out of, but this spins. If you were to take it out and spin it, it would spin, but it wouldn't spin very well. See, as you can see, the outsides of it are glued to this, which it's able to spin. Anyways, let's look inside of mine. So mine is a very small bearing, and you can hold mine in the middle, and you can still be able to spin it. Let's compare the bearings. This bearing it's very big. Let's compare it to this bearing right now. Alright. So as you can see, this bearing is way bigger than this bearing, which is very little bearing, but who cares? If it spins, it spins. This one of my fidget spinners doesn't spin very well. The bearing, you can't really take this off. Actually, I've never tried. Alright. Anyways, this is very light, And see, that's the thing with things. That's the thing. It has to be heavy and able to spin. Very good. So, yeah. Anyways, I have another one. It's balanced while it's spinning. But you might think, oh, I'm going to make one by just attaching a bunch of big bearings, glue it, have another bearing inside of it, and put buttons on it. And, well, you shouldn't do that. This is another fidget spinner. It's very big. It's able to spin. Spins long. But when you set it on the table and you spin it, it's very unbalanced. Anyways, I'm getting off topic here. Actually, I want to try something else. Crap. I'm back. Anyways, I was going to try out this, but I tried it out. Let me actually try it out. No, okay. It doesn't work, sorry. Anyways, since you guys know that, let's recap. And what I mean by recap is actually recap my fidget spinner. So, I guess I'm going to do the same thing, but put the buttons on and only spin one. I'm going to have you guys watch. So this one, as you can see, it's very loose. Spin it like that. And like just spin it, alright. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Can you guys? It's very loud. Anyways, bye guys.